Welcome, this is Ramini once again, and here in this particular one, I'm going to showcase to you how to, go ahead and create a new Google Sheet. Again, the same thing. We will go to the Google Drive, click on My Drive, which is present in the Google Drive, then select the Google Sheets, which is there. Go to the, move the cursor towards the arrow, and then click on it. You would see two options are available for you. One is for creating the black sheet, and the second one is the template. Now right at this moment we are not going to check it out with the template, so here we go ahead and we select the blank sheet. So the moment you click on the blank, you would be diverted or taken towards the screen where you would get absolutely blank Google Sheet, so that you can work ahead for your own purposes. You can use this one for various calculations, which we will see later on. The only reason why I have done it is that going forward, I will not be telling you how to proceed further in order to log in and to create the blank document. I would simply tell you that yes, create a blank document and how to proceed further with the various activities and how to use it in various ways. Today we will be seeing some more applications wherein add-ons would be there in the Google Sheets, and we will see how to utilize them. I think this is a small mini presentation of mine wherein I've showcased how to create the blank document or the blank sheet present in the Google Drive. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care. Bye.